The summer 50% sale that I've been running on my Gumroad store is coming to an end, so this is your last chance to grab a great bargain and level up your Blender skills. I've extended the deadline for this sale twice now, so it's time to finally wrap things up in the next 24 hours. All of my courses are rated at least 4.9 out of 5, and every one of them gets regular bonus updates. Some of my older courses are now more than double the size they were when they were first launched, due to all the free content that's been added over time. If you're fairly new to Blender and you're looking for a way to learn the ropes while creating some really cool animations, I recommend you check out Isometric Spaces. If you're a more intermediate level and you'd like to finally start doing things the proper way in Blender, I suggest you check out the Essential Topology Guide. And if you're a more advanced user who's more interested in watching workflows than step-by-step tutorials, check out the Interior and the Exterior Masterclasses. Use the code QUICK50 to grab any course for half price. For an even better deal, use the code 241 to get any bundle of 2 courses for slightly less than the price of a single course. And finally, you can get all 6 of my courses for a whopping 58% off if you pick up the Decoded Mega Bundle. You'll find a link in the description and in the pinned comment where you can pick up any one of these today. I'll be turning this sale off basically whenever I go to bed tonight.